Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your license and installing the Password Manager app or browser extension. This gives you the vault where everything is stored. Create a strong master password now. It secures every credential, and write it down temporarily until memorized. Once done, enable two-factor authentication for added protection so attackers cannot access the vault with only the password. Make sure device time and OS are updated. Accurate clocks prevent syncing, and 2FA codes from failing. Next, you import existing credentials or add them manually. Use the CSV import for many entries to save time. When creating new accounts, use the built-in generator so passwords are unique and strong, and save them directly to the vault. Organize entries with folders and tags to find items quickly, and configure autofill and autosave rules in the extension so sign-ins become instant. Also check sync settings so your vault updates across phone and desktop without conflicts. Finally, enable Cloud Sync and create an encrypted backup file stored off-device. This prevents permanent data loss. Set emergency access contacts and run the security audit to identify weak or reused passwords, then replace them gradually. Make sure auto lock and app timeout are configured for safety. If you encounter sync errors, first re-authenticate the app and check internet access. If that fails, restore from the encrypted backup or export a CSV to recover entries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.